This is my final full day on the desert section, and it is a beautiful day for it. Had an unreal sleep. I'm ready to roll. There's rumor of trail magic ahead in about 12 miles, so let's go see if it's still there. This is day 45 of my hike from Mexico to Canada along the Pacific Crest Trail. I'd zip up the tent, say goodbye to my little enclave from the night before, and start to head out for the day. I'd pass the first water source on trail that was blessed by Poseidon, and then continue a 2,200 foot climb up, and nothing could stop me today. I was feeling incredible. A complete 180 from yesterday afternoon. I'd roll into the final descent with only one thing on the mind, and that was pancakes. This sign gave me all the confirmation I needed that the setup was there waiting for us. And sure enough, Jim had cold drinks on ice, and we'd sit around and hear stories about his guiding days, and he'd give us pancakes. We'd then roll up the road to Chimney Creek Campground, and what's this? A second trail magic for the hikers this afternoon. So sure enough, we stuck around for chili dogs and spent almost 3 hours lounging around. Well, that was a heck of a lot more than anticipated, and what a way to end off the desert. 2 separate setups of trail magic, pancakes from one, hot dogs from the other. We just spent about 3 hours just hanging out down here at the campgrounds, and that's just awesome. As Liv and I rolled out of the double trail magic, all that was ahead of us was 6.5 miles of 2,500 feet of vert. Woo! And there it is. Final climb of the desert is done. All that is left now is a nice little 6-mile descent to camp and an easy little jaunt into Kennedy Meadows tomorrow. And what a little easy jaunt it was. Gravity honestly had me pretty much in a trail running mode down to the meadow where we'd get an ice cold creek that we'd be able to soak our feet in and then set up for dinner on a log overlooking one of the most beautiful sunsets of the trip. That's it for the final night in the desert. We are just heading to bed now after a pretty good dinner and a pretty unreal sunset. We're gonna get up when we get up, but we've got 9.5 miles left, and then we are finished the desert section and starting our next journey into the Sierras. So we'll see you guys in the morning.